Ever wonder how people turn simple machines into profitable products? Usually, it starts with one machine, one idea, and a clear demand. In this video, I'll show you 7 simple machines that transform basic materials into products people are already buying. Let's jump in. A 4 paper-making machine is mesmerizing to watch. Sheets flow through the press, pressed, dried, and cut perfectly, all in one smooth process. This isn't a small gadget or a novelty. It's a full production line in a compact unit. You feed in the pulp and it handles everything automatically, pressing, drying, and cutting, with adjustable speed and sheet size settings. Entry-level models usually start around $800, while higher capacity or stainless steel versions with precise controls go up to $3,500. Here's where it really shines: speed and consistency. You can produce stacks of crisp A4 paper ready for offices, schools, or packaging, all in a neat uniform size. The visuals alone are captivating, and the satisfaction of perfect sheets coming out non-stop is undeniable. And because it's automatic, one person can run the machine, sort sheets, and package them at the same time. Set it up on a table, plug it in, and production begins. This works in small factories, co-working workshops, or anywhere there's a demand for fresh, ready-to-use paper. Most buyers don't care how it's made. They remember the quality, uniformity, and reliability. Number 2. Paper bag maker. Folding and gluing paper bags by hand is fine for tradition, but not for scaling. This compact paper bag machine automates the entire process. Sheets of paper go in one side, and out come neatly folded, glued, and perfectly finished bags every few seconds. Most reliable models are priced between $900 and $1,500, depending on size and build. And at that price, you're saving hours of manual labor. The final product looks professional, but is produced at full speed. Here's where this machine shines. Paper bags aren't just functional, they're versatile and brandable. With one machine, you can produce stacks for retail, cafes, gift shops, or e-commerce packaging. Want to get creative? Offer eco-friendly craft bags, colorful printed designs, or specialty shapes for events. Setup is simple: a wide prep table, a stack of paper sheets, and space for sorting and packing finished bags. Customers aren't just buying a bag, they're buying convenience, presentation, and reliability. When you provide consistent, ready-to-use bags, buyers keep coming back. Number 3. Toilet paper maker. Rolling and cutting toilet paper by hand is slow and tedious, but this machine handles the entire process automatically. It forms, presses, perforates, and rolls sheets into perfectly uniform toilet paper rolls. Basic models start around $750, while higher capacity units with digital controls and larger roll sizes can reach $1,400. That capacity makes it perfect for producing bulk rolls for homes, offices, or small businesses, all with consistent quality. Here's where it shines. Toilet paper is always in demand, and with one machine, you can supply local stores, markets, or subscription boxes. You can offer standard, soft, or eco-friendly recycled rolls, or even specialty sizes for boutique packaging. Setup is simple: a clean table, a stack of paper sheets, and space for stacking and packaging finished rolls. The final product looks professional, and because it's automatic, one person can manage production, packaging, and labeling all at the same time. In the end, you're selling convenience and reliability, something people need every day and are willing to pay for consistently. Number 4. Food takeaway box making machine. Not every packaging solution has to be complicated. Some of the most profitable setups are simple, fast, and consistent. And that's exactly what this machine delivers. It folds, glues, and assembles boxes automatically, turning flat sheets of cardboard or paperboard into ready-to-use takeaway containers in seconds. Entry-level models start around $900, while higher capacity or stainless steel versions with adjustable sizes can reach $1,600. Here's where it shines. Food takeaway boxes aren't just practical. They're essential for restaurants, meal prep services, and delivery kitchens. With one machine, you can produce stacks of branded boxes in various sizes, from small snack containers to large meal boxes. You can also experiment with eco-friendly materials, custom prints, or specialized compartments. Setup is simple: a wide prep table, paper sheets, and space for sorting and packaging finished boxes. The machine runs quietly, requires minimal supervision, and lets one person handle production, quality checks, and packaging at the same time. In the end, you're selling convenience, professionalism, and presentation, helping businesses package their food in style while saving hours of manual labor. Number 5. Toothbrush maker. Toothbrushes are more than just hygiene tools. They're an everyday essential people rely on. A compact toothbrush making machine lets you control every detail, from handle shape and color to bristle type and firmness. The machine molds the handles, inserts, and trims the bristles, and polishes each brush automatically. Entry-level models start around $1,000, while higher capacity units with digital controls and stainless steel builds can reach $2,000. Most machines fit neatly on a table and are easy to clean. What makes this machine valuable? Customization. You can offer colorful handles, soft or firm bristles, eco-friendly materials, or even small novelty designs for kids. One machine can produce brushes fast enough for retail stores, dental kits, hotels, or subscription boxes. Setup is simple: a clean work surface, raw materials, and space for sorting and packaging finished brushes. You're not just making toothbrushes, you're creating a reliable, high-demand product that people need every day and keep coming back for. Number 6. Adhesive tape production line. Tape is more than just sticky. It's a tool people use every day, from offices to workshops to packaging centers. A compact tape production line lets you control every aspect of the product. You feed in the raw materials, film, adhesive, and backing, and the machine coats, dries, and rolls the tape at just the right speed. That means consistent stickiness, uniform width, and no wasted material. Entry-level models start around $1,200, while higher capacity units with precision rollers and automatic cutting can reach $2,500. Most machines fit neatly on a workshop table and are easy to operate. What makes this machine valuable? Customization. You can produce different tape types: clear, masking, duct, double-sided, or colored, while adjusting length, width, and adhesive strength. One line can supply retail stores, online sellers, offices, or industrial clients. Setup is straightforward: a clean table, raw materials, and space for stacking and packaging finished rolls. You're not just making tape, you're creating a high-demand, versatile product that people and businesses rely on every day, with repeat sales built right in. Number 7. Paper cup manufacturing machine. Paper cups are everywhere, but producing your own? That's a niche with real profit potential. This compact machine takes sheets of paper, forms, presses, and glues them into sturdy, uniform cups automatically. Small tabletop models handling dozens of cups per minute start around $900, while higher capacity units with adjustable sizes and thicker cup options can reach $2,000. With one setup, you can produce cups for cafes, events, delivery services, or branded products. Want to get creative? Offer different sizes, printed designs, or eco-friendly materials like recycled paper or compostable coatings. The focus isn't just quantity, it's consistency, quality, and customization. You can brand cups for local businesses, create seasonal designs, or package them in sets for retailers. Setup is simple: a clean table, raw sheets, and space for sorting and stacking finished cups. Customers notice the durability and appearance, and once you deliver a reliable product, repeat orders practically sell themselves. So, those were 7 machines that can transform your kitchen into a powerful production space. These aren't industrial lines. They're perfect tools for anyone wanting to start small, stay flexible, and create something personal yet scalable. Every machine featured has been used by real makers. Some sell at markets, some ship online, some do both. Success comes down to choosing the right product, packaging it well, and showing up consistently. If this sparked a real idea, let us know which machine caught your attention. If you're already working on something, share it in the comments below. Subscribe for more deep dives, and check out the next video where we explore full production setups, including packaging and labeling tools. This is Business Mind, where smart products start small